did this type of video you just watch now, all you need is just 2 video clips to achieve this very video. First, you need a video clip where you're walking around, just like this one I have here, where you walk past camera or walking along the camera, and an image of a cloud, be it image or a video. So after that, all you just need to do is to go straight to CapCut. So here is my CapCut. So click on new video. So now we'll first of all bring in the cloud, the video of the cloud. So I will click my own to bring it in, add to bring it in. So now it has a sound, so I don't need a sound, so I need to reduce the sound. So click on it, it will be selected, click on volume, then take the volume down to 0 and click good, it will apply. So now we don't need the sound. So the next thing we should do here now is to bring in the video where we are walking around or walk past the camera. So now click out here to select, then click overlay, add overlay, go to your gallery and look for the particular video you want to use. So mine is this one, so I'll click on it. So once I bring it here, it also has a sound which I don't need, so I will click on it. It's selected. Now click on volume, go down and take the sounds to 0 so that the sound will not appear. Click good for it to apply. So go through the video to know the particular parts you need on this video. So I need immediately start coming to the camera, so I need here, I'll split it, then I will delete the left side of it, I don't need it. Then I'll go forward and check. Okay, yeah, and that's all. So I'll split it here again, split it, then delete the right side, I don't need it. So this is what I need for this video. So I will click, hold and drag it to the beginning of this timeline. So is now at the beginning of it. If you watch it, this is how it is on this video. So what I'm going to do here is to click on the video, this overlay, then use your finger to manually expand it on the screen. So the next thing we are going to do here, because the clip is already selected, is to go down here, scroll down and look for our remove BG, remove background. So scroll down till you get to your remove background. So this is remove BG. I'll click on it, then I will click on auto remover. So click on the auto remover, give it some time, it will remove the background. Once it finishes removing the background, remember to always click this good here so that the effect can apply. So then I'll go back. So the next thing I'm going to do now, on this clip now is to click on this particular clip I just removed the background. As you can see, it's already selected. So I will manually go to the screen and use my finger to drag it up a little bit. So now it's okay. So what I will do here is to come down again here. It's still selected. So I'll go back to this place, return back to this place, then come back and touch it so that it will be selected again. And then look for my duplicates. So click on your duplicates. So this is my duplicate. So I've duplicated it now into 2. Now that we have duplicated it, so all we just need to do is to go to that duplicate copy and click on it, then drag it down to the next line. So now we have it on the next line, so we can now still click, drag it to the beginning of the whole clip. So now it's done here. So what we're going to do next now is to come to this place and click on this second overlay. So now it's selected. So let's go down here and look for transform. Look for your transform. So we have our transform here. Click on your transform, click on rotate, click on the rotate again. So now the next thing we should click on now is mirror. Click on mirror. So now you can now go out of this place, return it back again. So still select the second overlay clip. So go to the screen now and manually position it well. Okay, now it's going down too much, so we can leave it here. Then go on the first overlay, click on it and take it up. Make sure they're on the same line. Just take it up a little bit this way. So I think this way is good this way. So we'll go down to the second overlay, select the second overlay, then look for your opacity so that we can fade the second one so that it will look as if it's the shadow of the up one. So go down here and look for your opacity. So here is my opacity. So you can return it up to 50% depending on how you want to do your own. So here is 50%. So click the good to apply. So if you play this video from the beginning, this is what you're going to have. This is what you're going to have. Is working on this. At the end of this video, you are seeing this CapCut logo here. So you can just click on the CapCut logo, delete it, then come to this place where the first clip ended. So you can now split the rest and delete it. So the video can just end in that particular point. Come to this place, split it, the second clip, split it, then you can now delete those ones. Don't need them again on this video. Go to this first overlay, delete it. This one, delete it. So at this point, your video ended this place now. So what you just need to do now is to go straight and add any sound effects of your choice, any sound that you want to add on this video that will make your video come out to be nice. Then you should go on and add the sound. After that has been done, so the next thing you're going to do now is to click on export to export your video. So once your video finishes exporting, just click done. Then it will go to your gallery and you start posting to any platform of your choice. So let me go to my gallery quickly and check. So this is my gallery. So if I click here, I will get this video we just edited together now. So if you play this video, this is what we're going to have without the sound effect. So this is what we're going to have.